Hello and welcome to Mann's Model Moments. Firstly, I want to say a big thank you to ICM, who have been waiting very patiently for several reviews that I owe them. To redress that a little, this is the first of several, the Molch or Newt Midget U-boat in 1/72nd scale. Like all of their other kits, this comes with a nice glossy outer with artwork, revealing a sturdy flip-top box underneath. Opening this up, we can see the bagged contents, this just being a single sprue plus transparencies. Below that we have the instructions and the ubiquitous ICM paint chart. The instructions follow ICM's standard of a glossy cover sheet containing art, history and the paint key for ICM colours. On the inner cover is the frame layout, though as we only have one in this kit, it's very concise. The decals are also slipped in here, we'll look at those later. We then get straight into construction, which follows ICM's very clear and easy to follow isometric views, with colours called out when needed throughout the build. We also have a little stand for our sub included in the kit. It's then into the 4 different paint schemes for the sub, all rendered on the glossy inner and outer cover sheet. There are schemes for training and operational World War II units, as well as one for the example currently preserved in the South African Museum of Military History. The single sprue frame itself is moulded in ICM's typical mid-grey, slightly soft plastic, and features all the finesse we've come to expect from them at this stage. You can't see a lot of the detail here, but we'll come to that in the close-ups. There is a surprisingly large set of transparent parts for such a small submarine, including 2 types of hatch, with everything being very clear and crisply moulded. Next up are the decals. As you might imagine and can see here, this is a pretty small sheet, and though it does include a shark's mouth for one of the schemes, it's mainly various serial numbering. The close-up shows some of the smaller detail present in this kit, like these internal controls. As you can see, the casting here is super crisp, no traces of flash and with nice moulded detail, as shown on these torpedoes. The main body of the sub features quite a lot of external detail too, including some fine elements like the recesses for the windows and the cast divots for the assembly bolts. The main drive and rudder assembly is separate and finely cast, along with the stabilising fin. Props on the torpedoes also look good, and there are really no elements in the kit to fault. Overall, this is a really nice little kit. It's about the same size as a World War II fighter, it comes with its own display stand, and it's a bit different. I'd definitely recommend it for any naval modelers, or for anyone who fancies something for a bit of a change. I'd like to thank ICM for supplying the review sample, and do think about subscribing if you want to see the build of this kit in the future. That's all for this instalment of Mann's Model Moments. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more like it, and share this video with others you think would also enjoy it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and if you're feeling generous then I also have a Patreon, which is absolutely the best way of helping me to grow the channel and produce more content like this. With that, I hope you have plenty of modelling moments of your own, and I look forward to welcoming you on the next video.